Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Your Bluetooth is disconnecting and again you are facing issue. So guys, first click to start, type device manager and then open it. After that you can see the Bluetooth icon. Extract this and select this wireless Bluetooth and right click to uninstall and then uninstall it. After that Bluetooth is removed from there and then click to action and then click scan for hardware changes, and then it will come again the Bluetooth and extract this, then select the wireless Bluetooth. Okay, then right click to click the property. After that click the power option, then uncheck it, uncheck this allow the computer turn off the device in save power, and then click to OK and then close it. Okay, then open any browser, need to install the driver, but before that you have to enable restart the service. So click to start and type services. Okay, and then right click to run as administrator. This is mandatory. After that select any service and type B for Bluetooth. So this is your Bluetooth support service. Select this, open it. If it is disabled, so please enable it and then stop and then start and then apply and then OK. Then again select the Bluetooth support service and then left hand side restart options there and then click to restart. After that your Bluetooth will be restarted. Wait few seconds to complete. Then it is complete and then close it. After that come on the browser and then type Intel Bluetooth driver download on the Google search box. After that you can see first one is the Intel Bluetooth driver and right click to open it. So this is your Bluetooth driver. BT means Bluetooth driver. Okay, and then click to start and then accept, and after that it will start like you can see. Almost 63 MB. Then it is completed. Then click on open file. Then click, now you can see, do you want to update the driver, and click to yes. Then next. Now it is installing. After that click to wireless Bluetooth setup and then click to next. I accept, then click to next, then click to custom, then click to install. Now it is installing. Then it is completed. Then you can see it is, click on finish, and after that close it all and then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you guys. If your issue is not resolved, so please comment me, I will create another video, and also share your laptop model number, then I can see create the specific model create video. Okay, thank you.